Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will see how to work with the paragraph alignment tools available in the Microsoft Word software. So I'll open the software. Let us open a new blank document by clicking on blank document option here. So the paragraph alignment tools are available in the home tab in the paragraph panel over here. These four. So these are the four different kind of paragraph alignment tools. So we'll look at them one by one. So currently we don't have any content on the page. So what I'll do is I'll copy some data from one of my websites. So this was the comment made on one of my posts on my website. So I'll copy the comment itself. Seems like she was promoting one of her products through the comment. Anyway, let us try the paragraph alignment tools to this data on the page. So always remember, by default, the content on the page will be left aligned. This one here. You can see that gray color around that symbol. That means the left alignment is on. So when the paragraph is left aligned or the content on your page is left aligned, all the content on the page will be lined up at the left margin as you see here. So this is the left margin, right? So all the content here are left aligned. When you look at the right margin, there are blank spaces and it is not lined up at the right margin. This is the right margin and you can see gaps here, right? So if you want to align the paragraph to the center, all you have to do is just keep the cursor anywhere inside the paragraph. So in this case, I'll place my cursor here and I'll click on the center align. So now the paragraph is center aligned, which means there will be gaps at the left margin and at the right margin as well. We don't usually use the center align for the paragraphs, but we use the center alignment tool for the titles. So what I'll do is I'll place the cursor somewhere inside the paragraph and I'll click on left align. So let the paragraph be left aligned. So let us try the center align for the title. I will place the cursor anywhere inside this title here and I will click on center align. Now the title is center aligned and it looks better. Now let us look at the right align, that is this one here. So all you have to do is select the paragraph. You can select it manually in this way, but if you keep the cursor somewhere inside the paragraph, you can save some time. So keep the cursor somewhere inside the paragraph and come to the right align. So as you can observe, in this case, the paragraph is lined up at the right margin over here, whereas you can see the gaps at the left margin. Got it? We don't use the right align for the paragraph. It doesn't look good as you can see. So what I'll do is I'll place the cursor somewhere inside the paragraph and I'll click on left align. Now let us try the last one, that is the justify. That means the paragraph will be lined up at the left margin as well as the right margin. So let us try that. So just keep the cursor somewhere inside the paragraph and now click on justify. So as you can observe, the paragraph is lined up at the left margin and also at the right margin. So this one looks beautiful, right? So it is better to go for the justify option here whenever you write a document because it looks much better than any of these alignment options. For the titles, you can use the center align. Got it? So remember, whenever you want to make the changes for a single paragraph, All you have to do is just place the cursor somewhere inside the paragraph and click on of these options. But whenever you want to make the change for the whole document, we have to select the document from start to end by clicking and dragging. Now you can click on one of these options to apply the alignment. So I'll go with the justify, and now it looks much better, right? So this is how you can make use of the paragraph alignment tools. If you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.